stuff.
Yeah.
I need something that I can, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I like planting garden and stuff.
Yeah.
But with tiller, it's easy. You can go back through the rows. And...
Nah, that's good, man. Go on, go do your thing. Yeah, nah, I use my I got a little small behind one, and it's just sitting out here. All right, we trade it off. I'm good with the trade. I like this. I want me old steel old chainsaw for my tiller. So, what y'all think? Who got the better deal? Him or me? I think I got a better deal. Yeah. Exactly what I wanted, man. I just got done taking it apart. I just, I always do that. I took it apart, changed the blade around. Let's see. I maybe over tightened this, but we're gonna find out. Give me a second. Let's see if I over tighten this or not. There you go. This kind of change I've been wanting, this thing here, I like this. All right, man, so we got 3 trees down. We burning up the wood now. We burn it down, man. And we got plenty of trees laying around here, so if we want to cut some trees down for wood, we always can. My neighbor over there burning stuff. He over there burning stuff. That's what you can do in the country. But yeah. So what you think, man? Y'all think I got a good deal on the chainsaw? He got a better deal. I think I got the better deal. He gave me the chainsaw with 2 bars. I got an 18-inch and a 25-inch bar, 25-inch bar, and 6 blades for that tiller. Yeah, for that tiller. So I feel like I got the better deal. I really do. But I guess it's all based on what you need and want. That's what he said. He said, man, well, I guess it's all based on what you need at the current moment. But yeah, we're gonna finish up tonight. I'm gonna get all this wood out of here. And shoot, I really want to clean that out back there eventually. But I'm gonna keep my chainsaw. I took it to the steel place. Y'all didn't see me do that, but I took it up there to the steel place. Bought a tune-up kit for it. And that fire right up. No issue, no nothing. Sharpened the blade. Just chopped down my last tree. Loaded that up. Moved that over there. I got a big burn pile. I got all this wood right here. I'm gonna burn that up too, y'all. But yeah. All right, y'all, man. I was just checking in, man. I'm gonna holler at you. Peace.